December na, the last stretch of the year. Maybe pagod ka na. Maybe disappointed ka sa mga hindi natupad. Maybe ang bigat ng mga nangyari this year or yung mga pangarap na hindi mo nasungkit. And maybe you're wondering, Lord, bakit ganito pa rin? But hear me, hindi pa tapos ang taon. Hindi pa tapos ang taon. At hindi pa tapos si Lord sa'yo. December isn't the end, it's a reminder. A reminder to breathe, to reflect, to realign, to remember again who walks with you. Sa lahat ng dinaanan mo this year, nalugmok ka man, nasaktan ka man, nabitan ka man, you're still here. And that means God still has a plan for you. Kahit mabagal ang progress mo, progress pa rin yan. Kahit maliit ang wins, wins pa rin yan. Kahit may mga luha, may grace pa rin. Don't count yourself out. Don't disqualify yourself. Don't stop believing just because the year is ending. God can still surprise you. God can still restore you. God can still move in ways you don't expect, even in the last few days of the year. Yes, December na, pero hindi pa tapos ang kwento mo. Finish this year with faith, with gratitude, with hope. Because the same God who carried you here is the same God who will lead you in the next season with power and purpose.